Well, now, what have we here? Beautiful creature on 4 legs. Well, she's very lovely, too. I'd never find another pair like that, not if I looked for 100 years. All right, Pongo. Oh. Pongo boy, take it easy. What's all the hurry? Oh, I'm so sorry. May I
must say, what on earth?
Oh, dear. Please let me help you. Oh, I'm so sorry. Pongo, you... Oh, here. Take mine.